When most people hear the word security, they often think about things like locking doors, protecting their belongings, and ensuring their physical safety. And that's definitely an important aspect of security. But in today's digital age, security goes beyond just the physical realm. Data security is equally crucial. Keeping your data safe is a fundamental part of overall security. Just think of your data as a treasure chest filled with valuable information. Just as you would protect your most valuable possessions, safeguarding your data is essential to prevent unauthorized access, identity theft, financial fraud, and other harmful activities. The good news is that you don't have to be a tech expert to protect your data. By taking a few simple steps and being aware of potential threats, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to cyber attacks. And you won't be alone in this journey. Together, we'll explore the best practices and tools to protect your digital valuables. In this course, we will cover essential topics related to data security. We'll dive into understanding malware attacks, mastering password security, identifying safe web browsing, securing your removable media, being aware of phishing, and defining data privacy, as well as its importance. Throughout this course, we firmly believe that every individual, regardless of technical expertise, can play a vital role in safeguarding data. Whether you're an expert or a beginner, I promise you'll gain practical tips that you can implement right away. So let's embark on this journey together to make the digital world a safer place.